In front of me is DOOGEE X97 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this DOOGEE device. First of all, go into Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access Security. Then tap on Biometrics and Password. Click on Screen Lock and pick one of those login methods: pattern, PIN or password. Now you need to create it. Choose Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Lastly, click on Confirm and answer this question: how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? I don't want any, so I will go with the last option, don't show notifications at all, and save my choice by tapping on Done at the bottom right corner. So finally, when I turn off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!